friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sundance, a scenic neighborhood nestled in the southeastern part of Calgary, Alberta. Developed in the 1980s, Sundance is renowned for its picturesque landscapes and strong sense of community. The neighborhood is named after the Sundance Kid, a famous outlaw of the American Old West, reflecting the area's adventurous spirit and connection to nature. Sundance is centered around the beautiful Sundance Lake, a man-made lake that offers residents a variety of recreational activities, including fishing, boating, and swimming. The community is also home to extensive pathways, parks, and green spaces, making it an ideal place for outdoor enthusiasts.
Thank you very much.
With its stunning natural surroundings, well-designed amenities, and a welcoming atmosphere, Sundance provides a perfect environment for families and individuals seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle in Calgary. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!